Hello guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glambyizie. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome to my channel. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Nigeria. For today's video, I'll be doing something very simple, like a glam holiday look. So just stick around to see what look I'll be creating. I already did my eyebrows off camera, so I have a tutorial on how to do your brows. If you want to check that out, I'll link it up here. The link will be up here, so you can go check that out. So let me just set the part where I applied concealer, because you don't want your concealer to move. So I'm just gonna set that with powder. I'm team eyeshadow primer. Like, I think there was one particular time I used concealer as my base. I did not really enjoy it. Like, I did not like it at all. I'll be doing something purple on my eyes, so I'll pick up this Marykay eyeshadow palette. I'll pick up a purple shade. I'll pick up a bright pink shade to act as my transition color. It's not showing up. Okay. Blend it outwards a bit. I'll pick up another Bobby Brown brush and I'll pick up a purple shade, a matte purple shade, this one right here. I'll just apply that to my crease. It's barely showing up. Okay. I picked up another brush. I just want to pack that. Let me just pack that on the outer corner before I blend. Let's see if it will be more pigmented that way. Next thing I'll do is to pick up my beige cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This bright purple shade. It looks like pink, it looks like purple. For the outer corner first. Ooh. It's quite pigmented, purple shade. This one here. And I'll blend the edge with I'll be blending it with my hand. I find it very, I prefer blending with my hand, so think there was a particular time I used to blend my foundation with my hand and it's come out really nice. But when you've been so used to brush and beauty blender, if you go back to the way you used to do things before, I don't even think it will be perfectly blended if I try it. So for my foundation, I'll be using this Flawless Ivy foundation. Next thing I'll do is to highlight my face. Elegant Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'll be blending it with this Nuban Beauty Blender blending sponge. It's dry, I didn't wet it. You can use it dry or wet. I always alternate between the two. If you use it dry, it gives you more coverage compared to when you use it wet. That's just what I've noticed. That's just the main difference. So, but most people prefer wetting theirs. Just do what works for you. Like, there are no specific rules to makeup. As of Thara powder to just set my under eye area. So for contour, I'm not using concealer to contour. I'm just going straight in with this powder and blend everything seamlessly. I'll apply my Maybelline Baby Lips first. Adventure Makeup USA in the shade Hot Flame. Uberchic Ville lippie in Deja. Yeah, no rules to makeup, so I like this. This Zaron setting spray. Here is the final look. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any of my uploads. Kindly share this video with your friends, your family, and everyone around you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.